Janna here, Brand Director with Bernzomatic. I'm going to talk you through how to choose the right torch for your project. So start with your project. If it is a small project, let's think about maybe using a butane torch like this one that has a small precision flame, lower heat output, and it has a lower in-air flame temperature that would be great for making a quick s'more or putting a finish on a small wood burnt craft project like this one. For projects that require a little bit higher heat, like soft soldering, small copper pipe, or larger woodworking projects, or for lighting an outdoor charcoal grill, you might want to use propane. It has a higher in-air temperature, and these torches typically have a higher heat output flame. For tasks that require a lot more heat, let's talk about Pro. It has a higher in-air flame temperature than propane. The torch could have a really small precision flame like this one, or it could have a swirl flame. It really depends on the project and how much heat output you need. But keep in mind, some torches are only designed to run on propane, and you should not use those with Pro. A few other things to keep in mind are if you need to use your torch inverted. So if you're going to be working upside down, make sure you're using a torch that's designed for that. Otherwise, it will flare up or flood and the flame will go out. And then two things on just personal preference. There's several different body types. Do you like to hold the torch by the cylinder, or would you rather hold the torch kind of in your hand? That may help you choose the best one for your project. And keep an eye on ignition. Some torches require a striker or a lighter to start. Others, like this one, have a trigger start. For more details on all of those features and the best torch for your project, visit our torch selector on bernzomatic.com or check the torch packaging.